We are perhaps more microbial than human. In fact, we're about 1 to 1. There's about as many microbial cells in and on our bodies as there are human cells, about 3 to 4 trillion of each. Although I don't want to overstate things because microbial cells are much, much smaller than human cells, between 100 to 1,000 times smaller. So if you could hold your microbiome in your hand, it would only weigh about half a pound. But by the numbers, they're about on par. Depending on when your last bowel movement was, you might be more human than microbe. However, when it comes to the genetic capacity of the microbiota, they really truly do swamp us completely. The human genome has about 23,000 genes, and the microbiome contains something like 2 to 4 million unique genes. And many of those genes end up being important for our health and physiology. We've, over the course of our evolution, outsourced some of the functionality of our bodies, including the digestion of certain compounds in food, to these microbes. It's part of what makes us all unique. We each have a completely unique microbiota, and that's including identical twins. Even identical twins who share the same genome, they have microbiomes that are almost as different as two strangers. Maybe a little more similar than two strangers, but very distinct. So this is a really unique and distinct part of our bodies that shapes how we respond to food.